with you.
Hey, welcome back. And we are at it again. One big happy family. Yep. We're doing a March collab. Yeah. I know you think that most times March, you think about St. Patty's Day, but there are additional celebrations that are done. And for this collaboration, I'm doing sauce. This is actually, March is actually a sauce, National Sauce Month. Okay. I'm not going to do any of the mother sauces, the fire mother sauces, that goes into, the tomato sauce, the bechamels and so forth. I'm not doing that. I'm going tahini. Okay. Now this is a Arabic, a Middle Eastern sauce, right? It goes well with meats, right? You could use it as a salad dressing. You could use it to make hummus, right? I'm going to show you how to make it. I hope you enjoy this. But this is what we got. Now this is just a little piece, right? I know you can't really see, but I know you saw the thumbnail, so hope you enjoyed that. But I got it on a little piece of lettuce here, and I'm going to have it. I mean, truth be told, I've sampled it. I'm not going to lie, I sampled it. It has a nutty flavor. It's good to go. But I made quite a bit of it. I hope you like this because it's delicious.
Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard.
Okay, real simple. Minimal ingredients. We have about 1 cup of sesame seeds. Now these are the whole version, right? So they don't have the shell on them, okay? You can use the ones with the shell on, that's fine. I have a 1/4 cup of canola oil. Any type of neutral oil you want to use, you can use, it'll work. And then we have some salt, about a teaspoon of salt. And that's it. So the first thing we want to do is toast our sesame seeds. So let's do that right now. Okay, let's turn the heat on. It's gonna put on medium to medium low. You don't want it too hot, okay? You're not trying to burn them. You're just trying to lightly toast them, okay? Just give it a second to heat up and we'll get started. All right, we're gonna add our sesame seeds, okay? Let them toast. Now this process is probably gonna take a couple minutes, but you wanna move it around, right? Like I said, we're not trying to caramelize them or anything, we're just lightly toasting them. And again, this is just at medium, medium-low, okay? We're not trying to burn it up or nothing, we're just trying to lightly toast it. So you can get that fruity or that nutty flavor out of it. Well, enhance it, You can see it starting to turn light brown. That's what we want. All right, that's it. Turn the fire off. Now we're going to put this in a blender and let it cool a bit, and then we're going to blend it up. Okay. Now, we have our food processor here. Now, can this be done in a blender? Yes, it can, but you just need to make sure your blender is not a weak blender. It has to be a strong blender to do it. If you don't have a powerful blender, just use a food processor, okay? Now we're going to take our sesame seeds, put them in. You can just smell the nutty aroma, All right, gonna put the lid in. It's been about a minute or so since it's cooled, as it's been cooling. Put the lid on, give it a quick pulse. Give about 3-4 pulses to start. All right, now we're gonna let this go on medium for about a minute and see what we got. All right, now we just want to look at it. Check the consistency, right? Yeah, we'll do it, blend it for another minute, and then we're gonna add the oil. And the oil is gonna help make it creamier. Now, you don't have to add the oil, but if you don't add the oil, you're gonna be mixing this up forever, right? To get it creamy. So oil, that liquid that's in the oil is gonna help smooth it out. Give it a look-see. Oh, this looks much better. Much better. So now it almost looks like a enriched flour. I love that toasted smell of sesame seeds. I love that. Okay. Now we're going to add about half of our oil. For now. And we're going to let this blend for a minute. See what we got. Yeah, we're going to need more oil because we want this to be wet, loose, and creamy. We don't want it to be sandy, right? So let's get some more of this oil in here. But again, this is to your liking, right? You're making it. Or you're making it, so it's up to you. All right. See what we got? It's a lot creamier now. Oh yeah. It's creamy, but not creamy enough. So I'm gonna let this go for like 5 minutes on high. All right, now at this point we're gonna add our salt. All right, salt in there. And we're gonna let this go for about a minute to mix the salt in. Give them a tasting chopsticks here. I have them. Get a little taste. Yep. Yes, nutty. Because it, sesame seeds almost have like a peanut butter taste to it, right? I know you're gonna enjoy this, but let's go ahead and get this bottled up because we're gonna need it here pretty soon. So let's do that now. Let's add the sauce to our jar here. A little mason jar. There we go. There we have it. Yeah, there we have it. Let's see what we got. All right, now that the tahini sauce has been made, or if you're thinking about making it, if you make it from scratch, now if it's scratch made, as some people say, you can put this in the refrigerator and it will hold for about a month. Okay, so you can. This is definitely one of those dishes you can make ahead of time. so you're not rushing. Okay? Fresh is always best. However, this will hold its freshness for almost a month in the refrigerator. Okay? Keep that in mind. I hope you like it. Also, before I forget, now the sesame seeds, those seeds, you can either buy them hulled, right? Which means the shell, the skins have been taken off, so they have a more of a lighter color. Or you can buy them where they haven't been hulled, so the hull is still on them. They're a little darker. Now, the darker ones, they have a little more of a bitter taste compared to the hulled ones, right? But they both will still work. As a matter of fact, let me show you what I got. This is what I got. So these are the ones that have been hulled. The shells have been taken off, okay? These, right, have not. So you can see the ones where the shells haven't been taken off, they're darker, right? So your sauce is going to be a little darker. A little more bitter, but still the flavor's there. You can go either way. Hold, not hold, right? Also, you don't have to toast them. Even though I toast mine, you don't have to toast it. You can go and toast it. Up to you. Try them both out. Try it toasted, try it non-toasted. See which one you like better. All right, so here we have it. Our homemade tahini sauce. This is delicious. I know you're gonna enjoy this. And if you did enjoy it, hey, give me a thumbs up. You know, if you want to, throw some comments down there. You know, I reply to all my comments. Even if it means I can't put a video up, I will get to every comment before I put another video up. Also, if you could share me out, it means a lot. And if you're not subscribed, hey, join the peanut gallery. Hit that subscribe button. You know, our arms are open, and we'll leave the light on for you so you can find us even in the dark. Also, if we're not connected on Instagram, go to Instagram, put my name in, Shrashira, look for the gray cat, let's connect. That being said, I need to get ready for this next recipe that I'm going to be using the sauce on. If not the next one, probably the one after that, because I think I had a salad to do. But yeah, let's get to it.